Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? You're good. That's nice. I welcome you in my class. That is English for grade 3. We are learning Unit 4. Its title is A Brave Soldier. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today under the title of Oral Communication Skill, we are going to learn to express opinion. Before this, in your grade 2, you have learned how to express your likes and dislikes. I hope you remember. And I hope you understand that likes and dislikes varies from person to person. The way maybe I like blue color, you like green. I like mango, you like apple. So every person have different types of liking and dislikings. Likewise, better for something we can have different opinion. Okay, so we are going to learn about it, and we will learn to use appropriate expressions in conversation to articulate, recognize, and use some formulaic expression to express opinions. So we will learn to express opinions as well as appropriate expression. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Yasin, verse 40, it is not allowable, that means possible, for the sun to reach the moon, nor does the night overtake the day, but each in an orbit is swimming. Yes, my dear students, what this verse is telling us, that sun and moon and earth, they have their own orbit. Now we can study in science, but you see, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala 1400 years back told us in Quran. So beta, our Quran teaches us everything. And you see, this type of information, which is a fact, it cannot be changed. A day cannot overtake night, it's a fact. So such type of statements which cannot be changed, which are true, those are known as facts. Okay, and what are opinions then? What do you think? What is an opinion? Pause the video, answer this question to your teacher, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, opinion is a view or judgment formed about something. It is not necessarily based on fact or knowledge, right? This is someone's own point of view. For example, if I say it's very hot today, it's my opinion about today. Maybe you say, no, it's not that hot. Yesterday it was even hotter than this. So this is how better opinion is. How do you feel about that particular thing? And we should not be upset if there is, a difference of opinion. You think it's not hot, I find it hot. It's okay. We have our own opinion, and we should respect each other's opinion. Okay. So this is what the proper. Okay, I feel it's hot. Okay. All right. So how do we differentiate between a fact and opinion? If a statement comes in front of you, apple is a fruit. It's not an opinion, because we know apple is a fruit. It's true. So it's a fact. This is how we can find out about a statement, if it is true, if it cannot be changed, and it is same for everyone. It's not like that I say it's a fruit and you say, no, it's not a fruit, it's a vegetable. Will you say that? No. That's why it's a fact. The other statement is, cats are the best pet. I think so. But you can say, no, I believe maybe some of the parrots are best pet. Okay, so such type of statements are opinion which varies from person to person. Coffee is delicious. Maybe you say, no, I don't like coffee at all, because you are a child, you may prefer milk. That's why it's also an opinion. And the sun is hot. Yes, nobody can deny it. It's a fact, the sun is hot. So whenever we find statement, we'll find either its fact or opinion. And what qualities we find about opinion? Opinion may vary from person to person. It is one's own choice and point of view about something, right? So let's practice it further. I think, now this girl is saying, I think Murray is more suitable for vacations. The other boy is saying, I guess Karachi is a place that we should visit. We can also see the beach there. Now it's his own choice. So these are opinions. So how do we express our opinion? An opinion is what someone thinks. An opinion is always changing. For example, potato is the best vegetable. Maybe one is saying potato, other is saying no, it's brinjal, other is saying ladyfinger, right? So everyone can have their own opinion. So let's practice it from your book. A group of children, they are sitting here and they are talking about something. First is saying, I think weather is a bit hot. Okay, the way I'm feeling, this boy is saying this. Okay, in your book, I think the weather is a bit hot. The other is saying the weather is nice today. Maybe she likes hot weather. She said, no, it's nice, I like it. And the other is saying, the weather is fine, I feel better. So he likes this weather. So beta, when you are in group, there are more than one people, they can have their own opinion. And this opinion we should respect. We should, okay, I think like this, I feel like this, I guess like this. It means it is my own feeling. Your feelings are with you and my feelings are with me. Are you clear? So we should respect each other's opinion and we should express our opinion very nicely and politely. It should not hurt others. Okay? Are you clear? So let's practice it through an activity. Teacher will divide class in 5 groups and teacher will assign one topic to each group. Every student will express one opinion about the assigned topic. The way we were discussing about a picnic point or whatever, teacher will give you a topic and you have to express your opinion, respect each other's opinion and express your opinion nicely. So pause the video, enjoy the activity and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good job. It's time for your homework. You will express your opinion about eating healthy food. What do you think about eating healthy food? Express your opinion, record a video and share it with your teacher. So what do you think about eating healthy? You have to express yourself. And here is a worksheet. My dear fellow teachers, this worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. So what we have learned today, we learned that an opinion is a view or judgment formed about something not necessarily based on fact or knowledge, and we expressed our opinion and we used appropriate expression in conversation to articulate, recognize and use some formulaic expressions to express opinions. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning, keep practicing and take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.